As cities around the world accelerate toward modern mobility, Yutong empowers urban transport with evolving, efficient, and sustainable solutions. In 2025, Yutong continues its global journey, delivering reliable products and innovative technologies that create lasting value for cities worldwide. During the year, global sales achieved a 5.54% year-on-year increase, with stable operations supporting the sustainable development of public transportation. Guided by sustainable development and long-term value creation, Yutong continues to advance high-quality growth through an innovation-driven strategy, strengthening the foundation of stable operations. By centering management on product performance, technology, and service satisfaction, operations entered a positive and sustainable cycle. With the launch of our new global service brand, En Route Plus, Yutong continues to strengthen full life cycle after-sales and spare parts support, delivering more stable and predictable TCO value for customers. Supported by stable operations, technological innovation continued to advance. In Tanzania and Zimbabwe, the D14 was officially launched. At Busworld, the new generation IC12E was unveiled to the public for the first time. These milestone achievements demonstrate Yutong's ability to continuously translate technological innovation into solutions for global markets, further strengthening its international competitiveness.
During the year, Yutong officially unveiled its EV long-life technology, followed by the launch of a new generation of products.
Through a series of extreme challenge tests, including extreme cold, high heat, high humidity, and full road condition scenarios, Yutong continuously validates long-term reliability under demanding operating conditions, delivering greater certainty and confidence for customers. As demand for green mobility continues to rise, Yutong advances the large-scale application of its solutions across public transportation scenarios. A number of key projects and orders were successfully delivered, including the shipment of the world's first 26-meter battery electric bus to Mexico. Cumulative deliveries exceeding 10,000 units in Central Asia, and the consecutive dispatch of 372 and 400 new energy vehicles to the Chilean and Pakistani markets. Together, these milestones continue to support the green upgrading of urban transport systems and enhance everyday mobility. Through its support of international events and public service operations, Yutong continues to deliver mobility solutions tailored to local needs while contributing to the growth of local employment. Guided by sustainability goals, Yutong integrated green principles across R&D, manufacturing, supply chains, and products. From Gansu to Mexico, Yutong continues to advance its Net Zero Forest initiative, turning sustainability from commitment into measurable long-term action across the globe. At the same time, we obtained EcoVadis and EPD certifications this year. Through long-term public welfare initiatives, such as the Yutong School Bus Safety Tour and Global Green Journey, Yutong turns its commitment to safe mobility and sustainable development into concrete actions, expanding awareness and adoption across a broader public. Each step taken throughout the year is becoming a source of strength that supports Yutong's long-term growth. Moving forward, Yutong will continue focusing on creating value for users and communities, working with global partners to advance the sustainable future of public transportation. As we step into 2026, we go further together.